welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J. Smith here. Today is the day, guys. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. Okay, today we finally get to play with the new Mary Kay 3D foundations, and I am super pumped. I am super excited. And I know you guys are excited too. So let's jump right into it. So these new 3D foundations were created with exclusive IntelliMatch technology for your true shade. Improved shade accuracy to seamlessly match more skin tones than ever. And that is great news, you guys. Great news. Because, if you've been watching me long enough on my channel, you know I mix my foundations. But with these new foundations, I should get my perfect match. And I am so excited because I don't want to mix anymore. I'm sure some of you mix your foundations as I do, and it'll be great to not have to do that. And that's one of our goals today, is to find our perfect shade, find our perfect match so that, we can be snatched and flawless. So what's great about these foundations is that they include the patent pending age minimized 3D complex, encapsulated resveratrol, dual benefits vitamin B3, and age-defying peptide. So they have the same ingredients in them as our Timewise 3D skincare sets, which is awesome. This is an anti-aging foundation in a bottle, okay? It's gonna brighten your complexion, it's gonna help reverse the signs of aging, give your skin a beautiful, healthy glow. They give us the new blending brush. This is a densely packed brush. The brushes are synthetic. It says it's great for full coverage foundation application, and it's set to apply foundation evenly in just one swipe to create a smooth and flawless canvas. We also have a limited edition Mary Kay matte lipstick in paparazzi pink. Gorgeous color. And this lipstick is for a cause. It's part of the Mary Kay Pink Changing Lives program. Mary Kay will donate $1 from the sale to the Mary Kay Foundation, which helps to find cures for cancers affecting women and to help prevent domestic violence. Okay, so definitely contact your local beauty consultant, order your lipstick today, and support a great cause. We are just gonna jump right in. So right now, they launched 28 match shades, okay, from the ivory, beige, and bronze category, and that's a category I fall under, the bronze category. For my consultants, if you received this month's applause, they put a conversion chart in there, which I already cut out and laminated, so it's a great tool to have to use as a guide to match your customers. Okay, so the shades that I got for myself is a bronze W130, W140, W150, and the bronze C160. Okay, so with the new foundations, you get varied undertones. We all have different undertones. Now we have the cool, which stands for the C, the warm, the W, the N, which stands for the neutral, which I think is awesome. I already have my eye makeup done, something quick and simple, my Chroma Fusion eye colors. The first I'm gonna do is apply my foundation primer. So I'm just gonna apply my primer with a brush, and it is nice and soft. It's not spiky, it's not poking me in any way. It is dense, as you can see from the close-up shot. So that will definitely give you a nice full coverage. So what I'm gonna do is just do a stripe test on my jawline and figure out which one closely matches me the best. First off is 130, 140. So this is 140W. Next up is 150W. 160, 150, 140, and 130. Alright, and these three shades are warm, and the last one is a cool undertone. I think the 150 is the closest to my skin tone. That's what we're gonna go with today. I don't know how I feel about this color. Nope. I feel like it darkened me just a tad bit, but I could wear it, I could pull it off. All right, so I'm gonna do something. I'm going to leave the 150, right? The 150 on this side, and I'm gonna use the 130 on this side. The other two just won't cut it. One is too red and the other is too orange. So I'm gonna try 130. Which does look a little too light. I don't know if it oxidizes or not. I haven't heard that it does. Maybe it does. So let's see what 130 looks like on this side. Yeah, 130 is too light. 130 is brighter, okay? It's brighter. I think I could pull it off too. A lot of times you can kind of wing your foundations. So I let the foundation sit for a bit, and comparing this side, which has the 130 on it, and this side which has a 150 on it, now that they've kind of sat, you know, for a minute, I think my best option is the 150. Okay, I think that's my best option. What I will do is I'm gonna build it, because, you know, I just did a light hand just to see, but now that it's settled, I think it is my best option. So just wiping off again. So let's go with 150, and I'm gonna go with the brush. So I want a full coverage. And I also think it is kind of getting darker a little. So here's what I can say so far. I feel like the more it's setting, it's getting darker. That's what I see right now in my mirror. And I don't know if the camera is picking it up. I actually went and asked my mom, I said, what does my face look like? And she says, it looks dark. It looks like it has oxidized and it's looking darker. So I don't know about the 150, honestly. Maybe that'll be my summer shade. Maybe, I don't know. So I'm gonna have to take this off. I'm gonna try one of the other shades, okay? Okay guys, so I went and washed off my face. All right, we're starting again. I washed out the brush. Looking at the foundation colors right here. What I used right now was 150. So we're gonna put that aside because it got too dark. 130 I felt like was just a little too light. You know, it didn't have enough warmth underneath. So we're gonna do this again. I'm gonna try the 140, even though I think it's a little too orange. You know, because I don't think I have an orange undertone, but the 150 oxidized and was just too dark. And I'm gonna do the same thing. So that's 140. And already I like it a little better. I know you had more orange and it scared me a little bit, but right now I'll say this is much better and almost perfect, but I'm not gonna say that yet till she dries down because yeah, she could dry down and just bite me. You know what I'm saying? Just change on me. So let's just see. We have a winner, people. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. So the bronze W140 is a new shade, and they wrote underneath, they said the new, you know, new bronze 2. Try this new shade, warm, which is perfect. That is perfect. And the more it's sitting, the more it's disappearing. It doesn't almost look like I have any foundation on. It's like my skin. This is my skin, and this is foundation. Do you guys see that there's almost no difference? So we're gonna go in now with the 140 on this side. Once it sits, it does dry down to its true shade. So that is it, honey. I am in love. I am in love. I am excited. I totally think this is my perfect shade and it matches my undertone beautifully. I'm not gonna lie, I was scared there for a minute with the bronze 150W. I was so sure that was my shade, you know, even though when I striped it, I noticed a little, you know, something, but I'm excited with it. So yeah, let's just do a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna spray the brush. I like how it feels. I feel like this might be perfect for the under eye, so I'm gonna try it with my concealer. And I'm going to see if it works. The under eye is delicate, so I'm just gonna gently pat concealer there. Work it. Work it, honey. So just going with a clean brush. I'm just gonna blend. I think it could work, but if you're not comfortable, then definitely just go with your sponge. Okay, so I'm done with the rest of my face. We're gonna go with a paparazzi pink. So here you have it, guys. This is the Mary Kay limited edition lipstick in paparazzi pink, and oh my gosh, wow, it's bold, it's daring, and it's definitely very eye-catching. I love it, I really do. When you put this on, you know that the party's on. Okay, and where are we going? Where are we going? Let's talk about our foundation. I am very happy that I finally found my shade. A lot of brands produce a ton of foundations all the time, you know, new ones coming out here and there every time, but they never get the undertones right. That is the issue, okay? I don't know anybody who's got a gray undertone, okay? Because I don't got no gray undertone, do you? So let me try out these colors, right? Swatch them for you guys, try them out for you guys, try to discover what's good for me. So I would say if you have your beauty consultants local within your area, go to her and get shade matched, because they have introduced new shades. It looks so beautiful, it looks just like skin, and it's got great coverage. Honey, they came for all the wigs today, honey. Take the wig, take the bag, take the money, take the lashes, take it all, Mary Kay. You take everything, take all my coins, okay? I love this new foundation. You listen to the ladies, okay? You finally came through. You've been giving us what we asked for. And I want to say thank you to Mary Kay. I want you guys to comment down below and let me know if you finally found your perfect match and what that shade is. So thank you very much for joining me today. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to share, okay? Leave me comments. I love reading your comments. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button in the corner so you get notified every time I upload. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!